we will start in the lab, and here on your right, this door open is the exit. Any emergency, God forbid, if we have, we will exit from that door. And then you will find the staircase on your left, so run down there. What we do is, everyone has shoes, long trouser, that's good, lab coat, good. Okay, you can take that space. So we are all working individually alone. It's not in a group. And that is it, basically, not much to talk. Now, today the experiment is equilibrium. So there are two parts in this equilibrium, in this experiment that we will be doing. First, we will take the help of the UVVs. That is the UVVs that we already have. UVVs means UV visible spectrometer, that we already have the experience of using it last experiment. So we will still the same thing. According to this experiment, everybody will use their own. You cannot use others. And then take another one. So then what we'll do is iron and thiocyanide ion. So iron and thiocyanide ion, these two, when mixed together, they will produce the ferrous thiocyanide, which is very red in color, blood red color. And the intensity of the color will increase as the thiocyanide ion is increasing in the solution. So we will see the red, much red, which one is better, more red, but still we will take the absorbance through these UVVs to see which one has more color density or intensity. So based on that absorbance, we will see, we will find the equilibrium constant, at what point they have stopped increasing the thiocyanate color. So we will know that that is the equilibrium. And then this is part one of the colorimetric determination of equilibrium, and don't throw the sample yet. Don't throw the sample yet. You mix it in the test tubes. So first thing first is we have to designate 4 test tube A, B, C, D. And you will see that there are stickers there, so you can put the stickers A, B, C, D in that way, and then we'll see the sticker. Stickers there should be. We'll provide you the stickers, and then don't use the cuvette. This is the cuvette. Okay, this is the cuvette. So take the take the cuvette and put the samples here. Take the absorbance, throw it. Don't throw it in the sink. We have to throw it in the that one, right? So number. Oh, okay, yeah. It is all written in the board what you can find in this lab. So part A, you can find it in fume hood 3 and 4. Part B, you can find in fume hood 5 and 6. So these are the fume hood 3 and 4 for part 1 or part A, 5 and 6 for part B. So you cannot just don't throw it down the sink. It is not good for our environment. So we have to throw it inside that designated bottles. Okay. And now, after we are done with this part A, don't throw that sample away. Okay. Keep it. We will be using the same sample for part B, where we will see how the equilibrium shifts. How do the equilibrium shifts with the addition of 1 drop of foreign materials. Foreign materials can be similar things, similar species, or different things into it. And that is it basically. And later on, when you prepare the report, you have to predict the chart. There are 5 charts here, right? I don't know whether it is clear. You can see, yeah, on the report actually. So you have to draw it when you are submitting the lab report. So anyone has any question? There are 3 of us on the online. Do you have any question, anyone? If no question, then I think we can start. All right. So first thing, what we will do is rinse the test tubes. All right. Rinse the test tube with the distilled water, and you can discard that water down that sink. Rinsing, okay. But once you prepare the sample, do not throw it in the sink. Yeah. So best of luck. We start first. Now my online students, which one, I mean, where do I put my phone that which one do you want to see better, or from where it is better for you? I don't know. I mean, I have to move around. Sorry? Me? Yeah. No. So we conduct it ourselves. Yep. Oh, hey, you should take gloves, yeah? First thing first. Oh, so your friends are going to take gloves first. According to your size, there are S, L, and M. So L should be large. There's supposed to be another one more, but the student is not coming yet. I don't know. Yeah. Well, that is in fume hood 3. Oh, so all the waste throw down that fume hood 3. Wastewater, I mean. Whatever you have, all the waste at the end, we'll throw in fume hood 3. Okay, so here are the stickers, if anybody needs. So your online friends, online students, your friends are rinsing the test tube now. Now your demonstrator has been changed. It's from me to your friends now. So it is much more easier, I think, for you to follow because they are your friends. So read all the test tube. Sorry? We read all the test tubes. Yeah, this one. Rinsing, no, rinsing means not full, just take a little bit of water, like 1-2 milliliters, this much, and then move it all around so that it touches everywhere, and then it throw it. Okay, I will start the camera again when they start. Or I can just leave it somewhere. Where do I leave it? So that it can be good for you to see. Where do I leave it? Can I leave it here? If I leave it, they cannot see. So difficult. Okay. Oh. So those are online. Do you have any question? Anyone has online or offline? Anyone has any questions so far? Just ask. I know that is new, first time. So yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. That you can also. I saw it. And Noor is okay for you? Okay. Gloves should be not that. You just throw it in the dustbin there. There. Yeah, it should not be that loosey. Erlin, Eric, Munib, do you have any questions so far? Any question?
No, really.
Not really.
Okay, good. So you can see on the board that 0.002 molar for potassium thiocyanide, right? Potassium thiocyanide and iron nitride. If somebody asks you, how do you prepare this molar of potassium thiocyanide in 1 liter? We can prepare, right? Because molar means moles per liter, and I can find the number of moles from, where can I find the number of moles from? Mass over molar mass, we can find that molar mass. And I'm not saying that you have to prepare, it's already prepared everything here. I'm just asking the question to just kill some time. Yeah, you can start now, anyway. You can start, no problem. You can, according to this board, the things are in 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 and 4 fume hood. So this is fume hood 3, this is fume hood 4. You will see that there are chemicals are here. So this is the ferrous thiocyanide. This is ferric nitrate. And here it is potassium thiocyanide. Does anybody know about cyanide? What is cyanide? Potassium cyanide? Anybody know? Anyone have any idea about cyanide? The strongest, most dangerous poison in the world. Do you know? So be careful. You are using one of the most strong material, chemical today. So yeah, we have to be careful. Whenever we are in chemical lab, we will be very careful. Do not trust anything. Even if it is written water, do not trust. Of course, never drink. Huh? Yes, my dear, yes. We have to wash everything because some other Vanessa will come later on to work, right? So that they do not need to wash it. So I guess that procedure 1 is done already. You have leveled A to B. So number 2 is graduated pipette. You have a pipette, right? Graduated pipette everyone has. We have to measure how many milliliter? It says 5 milliliter of ferric nitrate, FE3, NO3, in each test tube. So hold on. First of all, we should rinse that test tube as well. How do we rinse the test tube? Okay, let me. Oh, sorry, pipette. Yeah. So this is. Can you hold it for me? Yeah. So this is the pipette, and everybody should use the pipette filler. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the pipette filler. We should all use this pipette filler. Let's insert it here. And there are few valves of the pipette, filler. This is the valve to make an suction. We will press there and then squeeze it so that it becomes empty. And then let me take one beaker. So when we are rinsing the pipette, we take water in the beaker. I'm not using the gloves I should use. And then press this S, all right? So this is how, and then throw. This is just water, so we just throw it or discard it in this way. 2 or 3 times, we will fill up and then empty it. That means it will be clean. Hopefully it is clean, or it is rinsed in that way. Okay, so we will press this one to fill it up and press this E to empty. So press here to empty it. Now I am telling you what I should or we should do to rinse, but what we shouldn't do is do not fill it up until it goes into the pipette filler. It can go into the pipette filler if there is not enough water here or enough liquid here, then probably it will go in. And then once you have done it, just wash down this outer side of the pipette a bit this way. And when we remove it here, just roll it up using your thumb. Just roll it up like this. Do not try to pull apart, it will break. Just roll it like this. Your finger, yeah. Hold that, yeah, that way. Noor, can you come here? I show you, yeah. So this is how you, and do not keep the pipette, and when it is inside, do not keep it like this. Okay, do not keep it like this. So what will happen is the liquid will go into it, and then the pipette filler you are using for the same experiment or next test. So the chemical inside, it is going into your pipette filler. So you're getting wrong answer, but you do not know why you are getting wrong. So we always be very careful. Now I'm done with this. So I'm keeping it here, and so this is how we will take this here and press this gently down. That is, it will be there. Okay.
So what will happen if we actually put, we ended up sucking in water into the microphone? What will happen if we actually put, we end up sucking the water into the microphone?
Sorry, I didn't get.
Because just now I may have overshoot the price.
Okay. So it goes into there. So just leave it there and take the another one. Or try to squeeze it out the water that's inside. Thank you, Chelsea. Yeah.
I don't think there's any more.
There is another one here, that one. Or there is better one is there. This is another pipette filler as well. So this is one. Hold it here. Press it down. Your pipette, can you see? Can I see? No. Oh, take another one pipette. This pipette is not very clean, or you have to clean it very good. So, yeah, it is much cleaner. Yeah. Yeah, press it down a bit. Yeah, enough. And then this is how you fill it up. Okay. It is going up means the liquid is coming out. Okay, this is, you can release this way, or if you want to release all 5, just press it here. It will go down. Try. More down here, otherwise the air is coming in. Yeah. You have to fill it up all 5 milliliter until here, so that for rinsing, fill it up till here. A bit more water there actually. Yeah. Yes. This is there. Yeah. I'm coming. Is okay now? All right. So yeah, then it's okay now. You know, probably your pipette filler has problem. Let me see. Oh yeah, the ball is gone here. You have to take another one. This is not working. Yeah, so this one should be okay, hopefully. Yeah.
So they go for the last display, for the new spectrum.
Let me see what. Okay, you just. So we just turn it on and then that's it. Last display? Live display. Okay. Okay, hopefully it is okay. Otherwise, I'll call you. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It takes time. Yeah, it takes time. So turn it on, the spectrometer, photometer. There. It will take some time. Okay, so it will warm up and it will take some time. By the way, by this time we can start doing the fill up 5 milliliter, and then make sure that there is no water here inside this pipette. So not this way. What you have to do is press down. Yeah, more. A bit more. No, a bit more. And press it down a bit more. Yeah. Okay. So squeeze it. Sorry, no. Leave it. Yeah. Open this one. Hold it open. Yeah, here and then. So this way, the water will be. So your pipette is ready now. It's a bit difficult for the students, those who are there. So what we'll do is just emptying the water inside. Or, yeah. Don't leave there because we do not know the water, I mean, that swab is clean or not. So we can put it somewhere here, maybe. Yeah, thank you. Okay, it's washed already? All right. So the second step is all of us will be taking in all A, B, C, D, 4 test tubes, 5 milliliter of ferric sulfate, right? Yeah. So start taking it. Huh? Ferric sulfate? What? Is there anything? What? Yeah. 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 Do not flog around. I mean, group around place all together, one by one. So you take first ferric nitrate. Yes. And this is the light. So.
I pour it directly in?
Yes, you will take directly. Wait. Is it clean?
Yeah.
So you take it here first. Okay. There. Okay. Now. Yeah. And from there, step it up. Yeah. And then from there we transfer to here. You will need around 20 milliliter, I think. You can take 20 to 20, 30, a bit more. Yeah, enough for you. And then from there you will take all, no need to turn off. Oh, okay, yeah. Same way. It's not clean. It's not clean, you see. So your experiment will be wrong. Who wants to take? So it is already ferric nitrate there. You can just take from there. You need to put, I mean, otherwise it will be mixed together. You will not know which one is what. So put on the, here, put the labels, which one is what. Otherwise it will be mixed and you will not find. Put the label first. Take it and then put the label first. Which one is what? Did you put the label here? Okay. A bit, but should be okay. Yeah. Ideally, it shouldn't be. It should be dry, but anyway, you can take it. This is iron, yeah. So from there, you can take around 30 milliliters, should be okay. Okay, okay. Okay, good. Yeah, this is iron. This one is that one. Iron. So okay, you can just take more, a bit. You need to open the bottle. This is very, yeah, this is zinc. Yeah. Pour there first in that table. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You just take it inside. Yeah, the same thing there. Yeah, and then from there to there. Yeah. And afterwards, please cap up or close the bottle. Around 30 milliliters should be okay. Or, about. It doesn't have to be very precise, accurate.
Iron, whatever thing first, then after that, rinse it, then we fill it up.
Sorry, I don't. Yeah.
We we fill up with iron first, and then after that
Yeah, yeah, yeah. For all the testing with iron first, 5 milliliters, just follow the procedure.
then after that we rinse it and rinse it and use and like
Rinse it.
what's the rinse?
Which one are you referring to?
After we finish filling up all the packets with right? We have to rinse this first.
Yeah, it's ideally we rinse it with the water, right? So we are taking the iron 3 nitrate now with the pipette. So first of all, once I will rinse it that pipette first. You understand what I mean? Once you rinse it and to throw it, yeah, in that hazardous. So do not throw anything down this pipe today. You can throw temporarily here. Later you throw it there. You understand?
With the washing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is there a problem with the teacher internet? Hi, teacher.
Yeah, hello, Munib.
Did you stop your sharing your screen or something?
I did not stop. Oh, the camera is turned off somehow. I'm moving here and there. So I think let me put it somewhere by this time. If I need to show you anything close, then I will bring the camera. Like, otherwise, I will leave it here. I think you can see hopefully. Yep. Or better, I put it close to someone. I think Chelsea is working here, so Chelsea, you are on the record, yeah? Good. So Chelsea is your demonstrator today.
Teacher, can you turn it to the left, to the right a little bit?
To the right, this way?
Yeah, now this is good. Thank you.
Okay, good. So now she is doing the second step, taking all 5 milliliter of the liquid from the pipette. I mean, ferric nitrate, FES 3 coming. Do not force this thing out, yeah? Okay. Yeah. Sorry? Yeah. So you already put all 5 milliliter. Oh, good. So now the second step, we will try, this one, 2 milliliter, 3 milliliter, 4 milliliter, 5 milliliter potassium cyanide in each of them, according to A, B, C, D. Right? Yeah, of course, we have to. Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, you rinse it with water first. This is water. I don't know if it's water or not. You rinse it with water first, the pipette again, and then you rinse it with this potassium cyanide once, one, and then take 2 milliliter to test tube A, then 3 milliliter to test tube B.
So, they do this, then we have to put the water there.
Yeah.
But when they speak with the water,
No need, just throw it here. Yeah.
is it here?
What? Here, this is the 0 to, yeah, 1, 1, 2, yeah. So have you rinsed it with potassium and iron? Yeah? Okay, so take in A, B, C, D. No, I'm just making sure that the sticker is strong. Strongly hold on. If you're having less amount, then you can just always refill it. Yeah, bad luck. Unlucky. You have to just take 1 milliliter maybe. Just one. Sorry? Yeah, just take it from there. What is this? Iron shells. Yeah, from here. Come up. From there. Take more, take more. Take the excess amount. Yeah. Your pipette is already filled up, so you have to make it empty first. Otherwise, it will not be. There are something here. You cannot use this. Yeah. Hold on.
So after if I put this into the test tube A, then we bring it into the cuvette and conduct or
After that, you have to add water.
add water, then add put into the cuvette.
Yes. After that only.
So basically we're doing it one test tube by test tube, right?
Yes, yes, yes. A, B, C, D. Just according to the. Hold on. Just 1 second. Really?
Yeah.
Try this one. Try. You took the 5 milliliter of it, right? Yeah, you have to wash it with the water and then rinse it with the thiocyanate. Okay, once. Yeah.
Test tubes with thiocyanate, then after that we put the water and then put it into the cuvette or what?
Sorry, I don't understand.
So like we put the thiocyanate into each of the beaker first, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then after that we rinse it and put the water. Then after that put it into the cuvette and into the machine.
So in test tube A, right? This you have taken 5 milliliter iron 3 nitrate, and then you have to take 2 milliliter potassium thiocyanate, right? And then 3 milliliter of water.
So basically we have
10 milliliter you are adding.
So basically we have to like rinse it a couple of times because like if we continuously change the liquid, what we need to like rinse it like let's say we put the thiocyanate, then after that we rinse it, then we put the water, then we rinse it again, put the thiocyanate again.
You can put all together 555 already.
Yeah.
Now already have rinsed it with thiocyanate. So put 2, 3, 4, 5 in all.
That's why I'm asking.
And then you rinse, then put water, then you don't have to do 3 and then again 2 and then again 3 and 2, not like that.
Okay.
You can go all shot, your own shot. Yeah, I think. What happened? Oh, you don't need to do that. You just can do like this, like you're holding it right this, right, and then it is filled up already. So what you do is rinse like this, and then so do not upside down, yeah.
After you rinse it, do you try it
The water.
with test?
No, case you have to throw there. So what you can do is you can take another test tube, temporarily throw all the rinse there, and then throw it in the like the last time when you are going out, then you can just throw it. So yeah, maybe this one better. Not like that. You cannot empty everything. So do not use this one. Use this one to release. Huh? Sorry?
When I switch it.
Yes. Every time you switch chemicals, you have to change it. I mean, rinse it. This is the bubble. So because you did not insert it properly into the water level, that's why the bubble is coming out. So why you are need to remove it from there? Why do you need to remove it there?
The 0 is where the 5 ends, right?
Yeah, this is zero.
So if I want to measure like 2, how do I?
2, you should measure from here, not from there. From here, this is 1, and this is another 1. So 0 to 1 is 1 milliliter. It's 2 milliliter here.
So 2 then.
So you have to fill it up all 0, I mean until 0, then release here, and the rest you keep it back. No, here, 0.
Okay, I think 0.
Usually in the beginning of the lab, the first lab, I usually teach them, students, how to use the glassware, but since it is experiment 6, I forgot that I have to. Huh?
Keep coming out.
Is it?
Because we may not have actually put.
Huh?
I need to redo the experiment, right?
Because you,
Yeah.
until here you put.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
So just throw it in that here or there also can, and then
I'll rinse
rinse it with the water first, faster, and then take it. I'll come and help you. Yeah. Wait. This one not working, right?
It's not, I scared that the water go in.
Really? Oh.
Should be all out.
Yeah. Now it's good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So. When you rinse it, throw the water and keep it upright for some time so the water, excess water will go down. I mean, discard it. Coming? Cannot? Yeah. Huh? Not working, ka? Oh my gosh. Hold on, I need to take that one. What? Really? That's why you should come in the lab before. I mean, you have to read the manual first. Be Use this one. Huh?
We bring it to the cuvette, then we bring it to the thing instead, or do we like put in all water first, then we take it and bring it to the.
All water first, and then we will take the cuvette and do that. But the thing is, you are mixing. I already mixed.
Yeah, all mixed.
Why no color change? They're supposed to color change. What you are mixing? What is this?
Water now.
Really?
I haven't put in water yet.
I mean, before you put water, there's supposed to be a color change. Did you put iron and this thiocyanate or ferric thiocyanate? Which one you put?
What do you mean fake or real?
That one. You put these two or this one and this one? No, you have to add iron thiocyanate, iron nitrate, ferric nitrate, and potassium thiocyanate. Did you put potassium thiocyanate or that one?
That one.
You have to do it once again, all over again. So you discard it first and then do. Huh? Sorry? No, not real and fake. This is potassium thiocyanate, right? And this is iron thiocyanate, Fe. This is okay. This is okay. You should mix this one and this one. Come on, read the manual first. See, iron nitrate, right? And this is KSnSCN, potassium thiocyanate. So you have to mix these two, not this one and iron. Iron and iron will not do. So quickly throw this all. Okay, this is iron, yeah?
Yeah, that's iron. That one's the waste.
Yeah. So, okay, do it. Yeah, no. What is this?
The KSCN.
No, throw it in that jar. Yeah, throw it. Okay, let's wash it down first. So how do you do quickly is like this. You take all, and leave it for some time so the water discarded. Okay, and this is water, is it?
Yeah.
So you don't need to rinse it again. You can just throw the water from here. Okay, now hold it. This is, we will take the potassium thiocyanate, not the iron thiocyanate, yeah?
So for this.
Okay, leave it for some time. And then this is, I need to throw it in the jar. Wash. Okay, leave it for some time. So hopefully it will be dry, maybe 5 minutes. By this time, you check whether it is already got the label. This is C. I think some are washed out. This is it B? I don't know. Which one is? There are too many.
Where's B?
I don't know. You have to, I think you have to use, this is probably C, can use. This is A, good. This is, you need to have another thing. And this is C, yeah? Oh, there are two C's, so which one is C? Probably one can remove, yeah. So you have to put two, B and C. Alright? Put the sticker first, B and C. Careful, no? If you put it this way, it will all spill. Eh? What happened?
It doesn't work.
Really?
Yeah.
Hold it. This one. What? It works. It works. How much you need? 3. So you have to fill it up on all of 0 until 0. Yeah. And then from 3, right? Which one you want to take 3 in D? 4. In D? No. In C or C? No, it's 0, but I'll take 4. Okay? 4 means up until here I'll take. My eyes has to be aligned, otherwise the parallax error that we have seen before. Yeah, the meniscus should be at the 4 line. Okay? Yeah. So now the color has been changed. And then this rest, because you can see if you come down to this, you'll see that the meniscus is touching the line, right? So the rest I will just discard it here because it's the same thing. Yeah. Another time you take 5, right? So take 5 now. Show me that you can take. Lynn, any problem? Have you, where is your sample? Oh, okay. So you need to add water now, right? This, where is it? Yeah. So 3 milliliter in A, 2 milliliter in B, like that way. Sorry? No, distilled water. This one. Never use the tap water. Only for washing. I think you need more of this. Yeah. You have to use, you have to take in a beaker and use the same pipette to use. Okay? But since you will be using the same pipette, so you have to rinse the pipette first. Rinse the pipette. You take water in a beaker and then rinse the pipette. Fill it up and throw the water. That will be the rinsing the pipette. Is it good for you now? It's not filled up yet. It's not filled. So lift it up. I mean, bring to my eye level. You see the, no, bring it up to your eye level. You see, you can see the meniscus is there. It's not 5 yet. It is, I mean, it is not 0 yet. It's 0.1 almost. So a little bit. The meniscus should be the line. Okay, now slowly through, discuss slowly, yes. A bit more, bit more, bit more. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Little bit. Okay, so we, if it is a bit more, doesn't matter. We can always reduce it like this. Yeah. What's the problem? Hold on. Now you can see your eyes on the line. It is the meniscus is touching. So this is 5 milliliter. So you have to take 5 or how many? And now don't force it out, just touch on the wall like this. Okay, so consider all gone out. Now fill it up again 5. You need to take 4, right? Oh, all 5, yeah? So just take all 5 first. Okay.
If I want 3 milliliter, it's 5 minus 2.
Yeah, you have to take 5. No matter what, you have to take 5, and then from 5 it will be deducted.
Minus 2 will be 3.
You want to take 2 or 3? 2. So here is 1 milliliter. Here is 2 milliliter. So you have to take from, fill it up till here and then discard it till here.
That's 2 milliliter.
Yeah, this is 2 milliliter. 0.5 milliliter, 1 milliliter, 1.5 milliliter, 2 milliliter.
Oh, I thought it's 5 minus 3, then it will be 2 here.
I understand what you say, but let me, I mean, you are trying to do that. Let's see how it happens. Okay, this is 5. According to you, 5 minus 2. So what should I do?
2, I get 3.
So you want to take 3 or 2?
3.
Yeah, so you have to take 3, so you discard it until there. So it will be 3, right? 3, and then the rest is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. You understand what I mean?
So this I'm getting 2.
Now, you cannot take this much. If you start, it will always reduce from that top, not from here. So if you want to take 1 or 2, it will be reducing from this side. So 2 milliliter means 2 milliliter from the top. 3 milliliter, 3 milliliter from the top. Because this is 0. This is 0. Here it is 5.
I think my results are wrong.
Huh?
I think all wrong.
Why? I mean, how did you do that? Can you show me that, okay, this is the same water, so show me that you take 2 milliliter. How do you take 2 milliliter? Yeah, you just show me how do you
5. So I 5 minus 3. I go until 3.
That is already 3.
Huh?
That is already 3 milliliter, not 2 milliliter.
1,
Yeah,
2,
yeah,
3.
yeah.
So this is 2.
2 milliliter, you are having it.
Huh?
You are having the 2 milliliter, but what you give already is 3 milliliter you have already given. You understand what I mean? I understand this is 2 milliliter, but 2 milliliter you are not putting there. What you are putting there is this much.
Oh, I measure 1 by 1. So it's not 1 mil.
Oh, so you for here you measure 1 by 1.
Yeah,
That
1
means
by 1.
3 milliliter means 3 milliliter like that. Yeah, should be okay then. How's it? You add water already? So all are 10 milliliter now. What you have to do is, this is the glass rod. Rinse the glass rod nicely and then do this, okay? Glass rod, and then you need to stir it. When you're taking out from A, rinse it again with the water, then put B. Then again rinse it and then put B. But make sure that there is not excess water on the glass, otherwise it will reduce the concentration, of course, you know. Yeah, so you have to rinse it first, then stir it. How's it? Okay, already? You have not added water yet? Oh, but why this is? Huh?
I used it to
This is what?
water.
Oh, this is just water. Okay, now for Noor and Chelsea, they have already done the 10 milliliter each. Have you already started? Oh, just take from the bottle. And at the end, please refill the bottle, yeah? So now for Noor and Chelsea, that since you have done all this 5 milliliter plus 2 milliliter for test tube A, 5 milliliter plus 2 milliliter plus 3, right? For test tube B, 5 milliliter of iron 3 nitrate, 3 milliliter of potassium thiocyanide, and 2 milliliter of water, all done. So we will be taking this type of glass rod. So we will be taking this type of glass rod, and then we will just wash it. Oh, there's one here. Oh, sorry, yeah, there's one. So we will just wash it gently, and afterwards we will rinse it with the distilled water. Yes, just like this. Rinse with this, and shake it the water off as much as possible. Okay, like this. Inside the sink. Don't dash it on your friends. And we will stir it the test tubes A, B, C, D, all. So for me, I am going to this is Chelsea's sample or set. So I'm putting inside it and then stir it gently. Okay. All right. So now, since I have done for A, I'll do it for B, but I do not want to contaminate my B. So I'll just rinse off if there is any excess amount of that A is there. Do it for B. So it's not vigorously, it's just gently we do the stirring just to make sure that everything mixed together. Because otherwise, if you can see from there, on top it is much more darker than the bottom one. The bottom one is still very colorless or watercolor, yeah, you can say, yeah. So I have to make sure that all of it mixes. No, you can take that glass rod, yeah? So just make sure like this it is washed. All right, and then rinse it with the distilled water. Okay? Oh, I touched it already. Yeah. So shake the water off as much as possible. Yeah, I'm going there. So what you do now, I have done for A and B, I think.
Yeah.
So you take it off, rinse it, and then put it for C, and same for D. Yes. Yeah? Huh?
The glass rod.
Glass rod. Oh, there. I'm coming. Yeah. Sorry?
It can't empty out.
Huh?
It can't empty out.
Take?
It can't empty out.
Really? Oh. This is the problem, I think, for this. Which I bring another one. Is it good now? This one. Take it off. Yeah, roll it your finger. Yes. Perfect. Yeah, this is good, I think. You know? Little bit. How much do you need?
Two.
So you have to take two from here, from the top, not from the bottom. Okay? And yeah, you see that it is eye level now. Okay? So two in where?
A.
Huh? A. So in A, take 2 means put this and then slowly move to 2. Now you see the color changing. 2 from here. Is it already? No, 0.01 left. Yeah, so this is 2. And now you can use the same thing again. Fill it up till 5. Yeah. 5, and then you have to take 3, right? For B. So 3, I will take up until there. This is 3. Yeah, this is 3. I have taken. So same goes for 4 and 5. So you take 4 milliliter now. Fill it up. Hold it here. Show me that you can do. Next time you should of course take a clean one. Next experiment. More, go up more. Don't be scared. Just take more. If you have excess, then you can always reduce it. More. A bit more. Yeah. Yes. Now take 4 milliliter there. So 4 milliliter, you will go all the down to here. To here. Done? Good. So, sorry?
Can I take more distilled water from that?
This was that. Done? Okay. Good. So now what we will be doing now this time? Sorry? Yep. Fill the cuvette with distilled water. You take the cuvette there. Yep. You'll need this for washing, wiping the cuvette. For wiping the cuvette, you will need this later on. For wiping the cuvette later on, you do need. I know how to use this spectrometer. 470, right? Let's clean here. Make sure that there's this now switch or you can take another batch. Let's take your sample. Make sure, make sure there's nothing more dirty here. You have to take the sample a little bit, rinse it, throw it in here, and then fill it up and put the sample. Put it here. You don't need to press anything, just put it to give you the result.
Abandoned. Hello? Anyone there? What's going on now? Oh god. Okay.
I mean, you just write it somehow, the color equilibrium mixture would happen. It changes or increase, decrease. Yeah, so this is part B we are doing. Here. Or we have taken 1 milliliter of ferrous sulfide, 0.05. And 1 drop of iron oxide. Yes. Yes. 1 drop of yes. Then go. And one.
Sir? Hello, sir.
Arlene, yeah, you can leave. We are already over time, so you can leave, please. Yes. You have to write the observation, whether it is red or green or blue or black. Record the what color? done. Eric, thank you for waiting. I will disconnect it now. My phone battery almost gone.
Okay.
All right. Hold on. Yeah, Eric, you're saying anything?
Nothing.
Okay, thank you for your patience. Stay with us, and then I'll see you tomorrow. I mean, I'll.
Okay.
All right.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Here.